My name is Kapar Ajay, my roll number 358 and I am from SCG International College in Division C. Here we are so about the production function. In economics, a production function gives the technical relation between the quantity of physical input and quantity of output of good. The the production function is one of the key concepts of mainstream neoclassical theory used to define the marginal product and to distinguishing allocative efficiency, a key focus of economy. One important purpose of a production function is to address allocative efficiency in the use of factor input in production and the resulting distribution of the income those factors while absenting away from the technical problem of achieving technical efficiency as an engineer or professional manager might understand it. For modeling the case of many output and many input, researchers often use a so-called self-pairs distance function or alternatively directional distance function, which are generalization of the simple production function in economy. In a microeconomy, aggregate production function are estimate macroeconomic aggregate production functions are estimate to create a framework in which to distinguish how much economic growth to attribute to change in factor allocation and how much to attribute to advancing technology. Same non-mainstream economy, however, reject the very concept of an aggregate production function. Give the technical condition of a production, the output of practical type of a production depend on the quantity of two or more input. The production function can be expressed as follows: Q is equal to F into x1, x2, x3, and Q is equal to amount of output, x1 is equal to amount of land, x2 is equal to unit of labor, and x3 is equal to unit of capital. Form of production function. If output increased by the more than that proportion change in input, that are increase in return to scale. If output increased by that same percentage change as all inputs change, then there are constant return to scale. If output increased by the less than that proportion change in the input, there are decreasing return to scale. Type of production function. First, short run production function. In the short run, the technical condition of production are rigid so that the various input so used to produce a give output are fixed proportion. However, in this short, it is possible to increase the quantity of output while keeping the quantity of However, in the short, it is possible to increase the quantity of one input while keeping the quantity of other input constant in order to have more output. This aspect of the production function is known as a low variable proportion. The short-run production function is the case of two input labor and capital will capital as fixed and labor as the variable input can be expressed as Q is equal to F into L and K, where K refer to fixed input. Now we are showing about the long run production function. In the long run, it is possible for a firm to change all input up or down in accordance with the its scale. This is known as a return to scale. The return scale are constant when output increase in the same proportion as the increase in the quantity of input. The return scale are increased when the increase in output is more than proportion to the increase in input. They are decreasing if the increase in output is less than proportion to the increase in input. Q is equal to L, M, N, K, and T. And we end our presentation. Thank you.